So in this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix C2 locked requires C2 quest here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Let's update these stats real quick. We got the max level for melee, defense, and sword now. I've been grinding this update, but say you've already unlocked C2, and it's now saying that you obviously have to unlock C2 again. Don't worry, this is just a temporary bug. It's not a problem with your account. The first thing that you actually need to do, and this is what I did because I had this exact same error. If you watch my first video on this update, you would know that I was unable to even access any of my C2 stuff because I was currently in C1. What you need to do though is just back out and change servers. I recommend using a free private server to do this. Just back out, go into a private server, and you might have to wait a few seconds as well. But try joining a newer one or a less crowded server if possible. Sometimes it puts you into an older server version, which can make the World Island shows locked even after you completed it. If server hopping does work, the World Island will work like normal again and you'll be able to teleport back. If it still says C2 quest required after joining multiple servers, then you just gotta wait a little bit and then of course hop back in later and you'll be able to play. It is unfortunate, but it is just a bug because there's so much new stuff in this update. But that is actually everything. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.